पैरासाइटोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट है। इसका क्वेश्चन पेपर हम देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ए, व्हाट आर एंडोपैरासाइट्स? गिव एनी टू एग्जांपल्स। बी, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मैकेनिकल वेक्टर एंड बायोलॉजिकल वेक्टर एंड राइट वन एग्जांपल फॉर ईच। सी, व्हाट इज प्रीम्यूनिशन। डी, लिस्ट एनी टू मॉर्फोलॉजिकल एडाप्टेशन ऑफ पैरासाइट्स। और E, write the difference between the incubation period and the prodromal period of an infection. 2 का A, illustrate the life cycle of Plasmodium species with the help of the well-labeled diagram. B, which drugs are commonly used to treat malaria? Discuss their action. 3 का A, explain the role of microbiota of sandfly in leishmania development and transmission. B, elaborate on the way of evading the action of host immune system of leishmania. 4a, compare and contrast stage 1st and stage 3rd of trypanosoma. B, which preventive methods should be adopted for hookworm infections. 5, differentiate between the following pairs of terms. A, invasive and non-invasive trophozoites of Entamoeba histolytica. B, acute and chronic amoebic dysentery. C, Brugian and occult filariasis. D, sandfly and sissy flies. 6 का A, how does immunotherapy with 45 kDa antigen of Trichinella spiralis work in the murine model? B, describe any 4 method by which filariasis can be diagnosed in human being. Which is considered most accurate and why? C, discuss the pathology of guinea worm dracunculus. 7, A, why is the plague also called Black Death? Explain the transmission of a plague in animal and its different forms. B, how do root knot nematodes and cyst nematodes parasitize their host? Last 8, explain different type of vaccines against parasitic disease.